What's up, XRP holder? What's going on this time? XRP price will pumping up. Congratulations, my friend. But in last 24 hour, minus 4.45%, the price is decreasing now. So therefore, this is very bad now. But what we will need, my friend, is in upcoming time they will dumps down, they will pumps up. What they do, my friend, in upcoming time? The main question is that, my friend. So let's see, my friend. Therefore, we will need to predicate this coin. We will do a technical analysis and also share opinion now. So kindly, holder, this video is very important for you. Don't skip any second and understand better, my friends, what I tell you. As you can see, first of all, my friend, the price will fails down, my friend, from 1.5 USD dollar to 1.16 USD dollar. This is the very bad fails, but don't worry. I hope, my friends, they will again starting pumping up. In this time you can see here the price is 1.16, so I hope they will easily hit now, my friend, just in only in a few days 1.5 USD dollar. This is very hard, my friend, but don't worry. If a holder are starting holding, if a holder are starting, my friend, investing more and more, so the volume, the market cap is increasing, and definitely if market cap volume is increasing, so absolutely the price will pumps up and get a very good profit now. So holders, my personal, my friend, experience completely tell us this, my friends, to upcoming time the XRP price will pumping up, because my friend, as you can see, my friend, this time they will starting and moving in upward direction, and that's clear to they were never fails down before a mid of month. So please, holders, just and only you will need now to hold on before the to the end of this month, my friend. And if they will again moving upward, I again predicate this coin, and if again they will moving upward, so you will need now to don't sell it after that also. So kindly, holder, please hold on. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time, my holder. My prediction is 100% going positive, and please hold on. I hope they will give you a profit. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.